Hello everyone, my name is Yan and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making lemon garlic roast chicken. If you can pull off a perfectly seasoned, moist roast chicken, I promise you it's a meal guaranteed to impress. Often people tell me they're intimidated by roasting chicken because it can be easy to overcook or undercook your meat. My secret weapon to a perfect roast, regardless if it's chicken, pork, or beef, is a good oven thermometer. It's important to find one with an alarm. That way, once your meat has reached its desired internal temperature, the alarm will alert you so you know it's time to take out your meat. Before we get into the recipe today, I would really appreciate it if you can subscribe to my channel. If you found this recipe helpful, please like this video and hit that notification button so you'll be alerted every time I upload a new video. Now without further ado, let's get into the recipe. For this recipe, you will need a chicken, obviously. Mine is about 3 pounds. Small bunch of thyme, 2 potatoes, 2 carrots, 2.5 teaspoons of black pepper, 1 lemon, 1 onion, 3 teaspoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of butter at room temperature, 1 head of garlic, but since my grocery store only had peeled garlic, I am using about half a cup. In a small bowl, combine butter, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, zest of a lemon, and some thyme leaves. Mix well and set aside. Wash and pat dry your chicken. Take some kitchen shears and cut off any extra skin or fat. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper into the cavity of the chicken. Make sure to spread the seasoning out evenly inside the cavity. Using your kitchen shears and hands, gently separate the skin on top of the chicken apart from the meat. You only need to do this for the chicken breast and legs. Spread about half of the butter mixture in between the skin and meat. Make sure to spread it out as evenly as you can. This step will help season your meat and keep your chicken breast moist. Now spread the rest of the butter mixture all over the top of the chicken. Then I spread whatever I have left over on my hand on the back of the chicken. For the rest of the ingredients, I like to cut the lemons into 8 pieces, slice up your potatoes, carrots, and onions into bite sizes. Then give your garlic a little gentle smash to release its aroma. If you're using a whole head of garlic, just cut the garlic in half. Place potatoes, carrots, and onions inside a 9x13 roasting dish. Place in about 1/3 of garlic. Toss together with about 1 tablespoon of olive oil, half teaspoon of salt, and half teaspoon of pepper. Place your chicken on top of the bed of veggies. Stuff rest of the thyme, garlic, and as many wedges of the lemon as you can fit inside the cavity of the chicken. I like to nestle any leftover lemon wedges under the chicken. Now cross those little plump drumsticks and tie the ends together with some kitchen twine. Then tuck those wingtips under your chicken to prevent burning during cooking process. Set your thermometer to temperature setting. I like to insert a probe into the thickest part of the breast. Set internal cook temperature to 165 degrees Fahrenheit, then the chicken goes into a 400 degree preheated oven until your thermometer alarm goes off. Once your chicken is cooked, take it out of the oven. This is very important. Do not cut into your chicken right away. Instead, tent it with some foil and leave it alone for at least 10 minutes. Your chicken needs time to rest so the juices can redistribute back into the meat. If you cut the chicken now, all the juices will leak out and you'll be left with a very dry chicken. Okay, now we're in the hardest part of this recipe. Here's my secret. I can cook a chicken. I can even butcher a raw chicken in less than 10 minutes. But I cannot carve a roast chicken to save my life. You have no idea how many times I have presented my roast chicken and it looks like my dog has gnawed through it. But I do the best I can. I like to separate the legs first, then cut them into thighs and drumsticks. Then I cut out the breast and slice those up so each slice has some skin on top. Plate up your chicken with roasted veggies. Make sure to ladle the juices over your chicken. Garnish with some thyme sprigs, and finally it's time to eat. I really hope you enjoyed that recipe. There are two main reasons why I love roasting chickens. The first one is your house smells absolutely divine. The second reason is I can really make a roast chicken stretch. This is especially important now because we're all in quarantine. In next week's video, I'm going to show you how I take the leftover chicken carcass and chicken meats to make a very easy chicken stock, as well as a simple yet comforting weeknight chicken pot pie. So until next week, I hope you and your family are safe, happy, and healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye.